Best Rollator Walker. Best mobility and comfort. Rollator walkers are essential for individuals seeking independence and safety in their daily activities. These walkers come with 4 wheels, a seat, and hand brakes, providing users with a secure way to move around. Choosing the right rollator walker can improve daily life. List number 1. Medical 10257BL14. Discover the comfort and stability of the Drive Medical 4-wheel rollator walker. Its durable steel frame supports up to 300 pounds. The height adjustable feature ensures a perfect fit for everyone. Enjoy smooth mobility with its sturdy 7.5 wheels. A removable back support adds extra comfort during use. Available in a stylish blue finish. Advantages: enjoy effortless mobility with the 7.5 wheels on all surfaces. Rest comfortably with the built-in seat and removable back support. Adjust the height easily to fit your needs perfectly. Strong steel frame supports up to 300 pounds safely. Foldable design allows quick storage and easy transport. List number 2. Foldable Rollator. Experience comfort and mobility with the Hamlin Foldable Rollator Walker. Its 8-inch big wheels ensure smooth navigation. With a 350 pounds weight capacity, it offers reliable support. Adjustable handles and seat height provide a personalized fit. Lightweight and easy to fold, perfect for storage and travel. A vibrant red finish adds a stylish touch. Advantages: lightweight design simplifies transport for active seniors. Easy to carry. Big 8-inch wheels ensure smooth movement on various surfaces. Enhanced stability. Adjustable handles and seat height offer personalized comfort. Fits all sizes. Foldable feature makes storage and travel hassle-free. Saves space. High weight capacity supports up to 350 pounds safely. Reliable use. List number 3. Medline Steel Rollator Walker. Discover the Medline Steel Rollator Walker, designed to enhance mobility with ease and comfort. Its sturdy steel frame supports up to 350 pounds, ensuring reliability. The burgundy finish adds a touch of elegance, making it stylish and functional. Enjoy the convenience of a foldable design for easy storage and transport. Adjustable handles cater to individual needs, offering personalized comfort. 6-inch wheels provide smooth and stable movement for seniors and the mobility impaired. Advantages: sturdy design supports up to 350 pounds safely and comfortably. Convenient seat offers rest during walks or outings. Foldable frame makes storage and transport easy. Adjustable handles ensure a perfect fit for any height. 6-inch wheels provide smooth movement on various surfaces. List number 4. Medical 10210-12 button. Discover the Drive Medical 10210-12 button folding walker with wheels. Lightweight and easy to use, it offers excellent mobility. Suitable for seniors and adults weighing up to 350 pounds. The adjustable height ensures a comfortable fit for everyone. Durable and reliable, this walker provides great support and stability. Advantages: easy to use with its two-button folding mechanism. Simple design. Lightweight construction makes it easy to carry and maneuver. User-friendly. Adjustable height ensures a comfortable fit for various users. Personalized experience. Supports up to 350 pounds, offering strong support. Reliable and sturdy. Wheels provide smooth movement across different surfaces. Convenient mobility. List number 5. Weight folding steel. Discover the lightweight folding steel rollator walker, perfect for seniors. It features 6-inch wheels and locking hand brakes for safety. Adjustable handles, 3135, ensure comfort, while the padded seat offers a cozy rest. Supporting up to 300 pounds, this light blue mobility aid is FSA/HSA eligible. Enjoy easy maneuverability and enhanced independence. Advantages: lightweight design ensures easy maneuverability for seniors. folding feature allows convenient storage and transport. Adjustable handles offer personalized comfort and support. Padded seat provides a comfortable resting spot during walks. Locking hand brakes enhance safety and control.